What's up, guys? We're having a bonfire tonight. We rented a campground. It was $25. We got all accommodations. We have showers, laundry, we got water hookups, toilets, everything you need. We're just gonna chill out tonight, enjoy our campfire, and we will see you guys tomorrow.
So we're on our way to Blue River right now. We stayed in Valemount last night. We're gonna be heading out to Wells Gray, and we'll see you guys in a bit. So we thought we found this really awesome, super sweet, amazing, cool viewpoint. No, we just found this shit road to drive down. And here we are. We're like an hour in the bush.
Spats viewpoint. 5 minutes. Drugs are bad. Okay.
Hey guys, we just went on a little hike to Spat Falls, and it's a pretty sweet view. Check this out. Safety third.
They're being very persuasive, but that's all right.
Hey guys, we're here at the Shaden Viewpoint in Wells Gray National Park. I'm not sure what the view is going to be like, so let's go check it out. We didn't quite learn our lesson the first time. We're driving down another dirt road. See where it goes. Hopefully this one's a little bit better than the last one. We finally found a sign for what we're looking for. We're gonna try and keep going here and see how she goes. So we made it about halfway to the meadows. We gotta stop. We gotta cut it. We gotta turn around and go back. I don't want to blow our engine up. She's freaking toasty. I'm not sure if it's burning oil or if it's just hot AF. We gotta let her cool down here. Almost made it. Not quite.
So we're going down to Waterfalls. There's a lot of hills and rocks. And I didn't put pants on. Now look at my legs. Looks like I got the mumps. Full of mosquito bites. Note to self, wear pants when you're hiking through a forest.
Josh is up ahead trying to outrun the mosquitoes.
We're crossing this super old bridge. It's held together by a couple of strings and tie wire. Don't really know how safe it is to cross, but here I'm going across, and I made it. And she's safe.
Check this
out!
So we're gonna try and head down there. We saw some stairs over there. There's a couple other people way down there, so we're gonna go see if we can check that out. We're gonna try and head all the way down here and down these stairs and see if we can get a better shot for you guys. You guys, this is honestly the coolest hike ever. It's amazing. I heard this little stream a little bit further up there, but I couldn't see where it's coming from, and I found it. There it is. We're heading down, and there's my little stream.
So we came from way up there. And now we're way down here. There's Nicole. Hi, Nicole. And there's the falls. So we're on our way back. That sucked. 40 minutes to go. We'll make it though.
Hey guys, so we just woke up a couple hours ago. We ended up paying for a campsite last night because we are in a national park, so it was about $20 for a campsite. Not too big of a deal. We probably would have paid that much in gas driving to our free campsites, so not even mad. Actually at a viewpoint right now for Helmkin Falls, the 4th tallest waterfall in all of Canada. So you guys can see Helmkin Falls is here, way up here at 141 meters. Niagara Falls is only 53 meters. Huh.
Another update today, I'm wearing pants. So it's gonna be a good day. There's Nicole. Hi, Nicole. We are about to adventure onto the Rim hiking trail. 8-kilometer return trip. Take us about 3 hours. Might be a bit more.
Check out this tree, you guys. Like, look at the bark on it. It's gotta be like 2 inches thick. It's insane. It's just the bark. Alright guys, so we're getting really close. Let me see if I can get a good spot up here. One sec. Don't want to end up in there. So here we are. We're up top of Helmkin Falls. This is crazy. There's still snow up here. There's snow. We just walked through an entire forest with no snow, and we're right by the waterfall, and look at this. It's fucking amazing. Look it. You can see the viewpoint that we were just at over there. The drop off for about 400 feet.
You guys, this is absolutely amazing. I don't want to get too close to the edge because a lot of this ground's really soft, so it could just give away at any moment. So I'm standing a meter away from the edge at all times. Hey guys, we're back from our hike. We're both pretty tired. It was a 4-hour-long hike. The view is awesome. We're gonna check out Dawson's Falls. Then after that, we're gonna find a place to sleep. We might make some chili. Okay, let's head down to Dawson Falls.
It's like a little mini Niagara Falls. Comment below if you guys have any wicked places to check out in Canada. Preferably right now we're in BC, and so anywhere between BC and Alberta and back to Ontario. Let us know if you guys have any cool spots to check out. We'd love to hear.
And if you guys enjoy our video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and yeah, we'll just get back to the video.
And we made it! Woo! Thank you, Liddy! Yeah! Heck yeah! So it's pretty cloudy and gloomy up here today. I bet this is a pretty sick view on a nice day. Guys, we just ran all the way up the tower because it's sunny now, and actually the coolest thing. This is so awesome, you guys. Look! Everybody else is missing us. We're the only people up here.
Yeah,
it's
actually a double rainbow.
You guys, there's a double rainbow.
Oh my god. We're that guy.
We're that guy. I totally get it now. This is fucking unreal.
There's
double
a double
rainbow. It's starting to get nice out. Look how nice it is now.
Whoever said you can't eat good living in a van, they're liars. We're making chili tonight because it's cheap, it's good for you, and it keeps you going.
Woo!
Hey guys, here's a little sneak peek into next week's episode. We're heading up to the peak of Mount 7 in Golden, British Columbia. It's 4,443 feet high. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below. We try and answer all our comments. See you guys next week.